WMF Peak 50, cleaning the brewing unit. Turn off the machine and unplug it. Please make sure to always disconnect the device completely from the power supply. To access the brewing unit, first remove the coffee grounds container, the drip tray, and the dirt tray, and empty them if necessary. Feel for the brewing unit. It is positioned vertically inside the machine. Release the lock. To do this, pull the lever on the brewing unit toward you and hold it firmly. Now, carefully pull it out. To prepare the unit for cleaning, use the included multi-tool to turn the screw counterclockwise until the scraper is in the forward position. Gently squeeze the funnel and pull it upward to remove it. Pull the springs out to release them and open the insertion chute. Remove any coffee grounds with a brush. Now clean it yourself. Rinse the brewing sieve under running water or wipe it down with a cloth. Use only water. Do not use detergent. Do not put the parts in the dishwasher. Allow the brewing unit to dry completely before reinstalling it. To prepare the brewing unit for installation, fold down the insertion chute and reattach the springs. Turn the threaded part at the top of the brewing unit clockwise until the scraper returns to its original position. Now reinsert the brewing unit. To do this, press the release button and lift the brewing unit straight up until the brewer clicks into place. Finally, reinstall dirt tray, drip tray, and the grounds container. Now plug the power cord back in and turn on the machine. The brewing unit is now clean, and your machine is ready to use again.